Every great hiring process starts with the right structure. With Synclo, recruitment is fully configurable, allowing you to design a process that fits your organization. In Recruitment Users, you can assign who manages hiring and define responsibilities across the system. The application form lets you customize exactly what information candidates provide, ensuring you collect what matters most. Under Distribution, you can control how job openings are shared across channels. In Screening settings, you can define how candidates are evaluated, including structured feedback forms for consistent and objective assessments. This is where your hiring workflow takes shape. In Hiring Stages, you can build your recruitment pipeline. Create stages based on your process and add sub-stages within each stage to design a pipeline that reflects how your team actually hires. This gives you complete control over how candidates move from application to final decision. Finally, in Offer Letter Templates, you can create and manage standardized offers, ready to use when hiring decisions are made. With everything configured in one place, your recruitment process becomes consistent, scalable, and fully aligned. Build your hiring process your way with Synclo.